Hello, my name is Jacob Foy, and I'm part of Wheaton Group 1, and we are here giving feedback to Wheaton Group 2 on the PSI physical arrangement of the environment part of the project. So just to start off, I think that overall everything was very well done. I think that the narration was great, and the information was straight to the point and very easy for anybody who, such as a teacher or any other staff in school setting, to understand. So most of the feedback that we have to offer is just little changes. First of all, one thing I wanted to address is the descriptions of the ABCs of behavior. Straightforward, very clear. You guys provide some really good examples for that. And the next part, we also suggest that maybe adding a minus and then adding punishment, taking away. I'm just like reading Lori's feedback right here. And let's see, let's move on to the next one. Also, love the examples, the very specific examples that you had for the functions of behavior overview. Let's see. And like I mentioned before, I think the interactive part of your assignment here was something that really impressed me. Just being able to click on like the answer or the answer and then getting whether or not that was correct or not. Love the interactive portion. And again, adding examples and known advantages to physical arrangement in a classroom setting, I think was wonderful. And let's move on to the next feedback. So we also suggest that perhaps adding an equation to the bottom of the slide for more of a visual as well for calculating the PAC. And some of the little things that I mentioned earlier that just needed to be changed. The list numbers right here, I just needed to be updated. As of right now, it just says 112 instead of 123. So just like little like changes like that. And same thing for this slide as well. So just take some time just to go over those like little details when it comes to such as the list numbers. And right here, again, you guys provided phenomenal examples throughout your entire PowerPoint for each part of this presentation. And that is all I have to add right now. Dee Dee, do you have anything else to add?
Um, I just thought that the presentation was very good overall. I like how interactive it was, as Jacob has mentioned. Um, I like that you guys do like show us like the correct response and the like response if we didn't get it correctly. And I like the explanations on it behind that.
Mm-hmm. And some other little comments that some of the other classmates made that I'm just going to go over. For this slide here, when it goes into ABC, the behavior part of the slide, it is suggested that might state as a targeted behavior and stating it as an operational definition, or adding that this specifically, this is an operational definition. And then adding an example of what punishment consequence could look like. And then just some grammatical errors as well, just going over that carefully just to make sure everything is good. Specifically, math is a non-preferred grammatical error, according to one of our other classmates. And I believe, awesome. Again, just making sure that everything, all the knowledge checks are good. And that is it for me. I think, again, everything was very well done. It was presented very clearly with good definitions, and just making sure just to change those little grammatical errors. But do you guys have any questions, comments, concerns?
I'm good. Thank you so much for all the feedback. We really appreciate it. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Relay it to the rest of the group.
Sounds good.
I don't think I have any questions on my end either, so.
Awesome. And I guess we can just stop the recording here.
All right. Thank y'all.
Of course.